In this video, I'm going to show you how to install Jupyter Notepad in Visual Studio Code. Now, first thing we need to do is load up VSCode. In the left-hand navigation, click on Extensions. Using the search box, type in Code Runner and press Search. Click on this top one, which is Code Runner. Now click on the blue Install button and click on Trust and Install. Once it's finished, come back over to the search box and this time search for Python. Now click on Python from the list of options and go and click on Install. Now finally click on the search box again and this time search for Jupyter and click on this one here. Now click on the blue Install button and once it's finished, go and click on View and select Command Palette. Now search for Jupyter and click on Create New Jupyter Notebook. Now click on Python and select Markdown. Now from here you can click on the plus icon to add code and then you can go and write the code that you want to run. You can then click on the play button to go and run this code. You'll see this message, go and click on install. Once you've finished, we have now installed Jupyter Notebook. Let me know in the comments if you found this video helpful.